Hello there. My name is Vito Goomba. I am the Godfather. Wait a minute, hold on. That's much better. I gotta call the equine store and see if they placed my order. Hello, Sophia. Hey, it's Don. Little Goomba. Did you send that present from your horse stall to my friend last night? Just the head? I wanted the whole horse. When I do something, it's big, baby. I wanted the whole horse in the bed, not just his head. Anyway, that doctor friend of yours, he didn't cure that itch on my chin. I don't understand. Alright, Sophia. Alright, darling. I'm out of here. Alright, so long. And that's how I do business. Until then, this is Vito Goomba. I'm out of here. And so are these cotton balls.